Hello everyone, let's bring some beautiful smile to everyone's face. So let's start, guys. This happens when someone mess up with some other elder guys. Yeah, see, don't do that, don't do that, don't do that. Ooh, I said don't do that. This happens when you ignore someone else.
¡Aida, por favor! ¡Ay!
Here to fight
¡Aida! ¡Aida!
unwanted guest,
¡Aida! ¡Ay!
unwanted guest came to
¡Aida!
home.
¡Jolín, es que venga alguien que me da miedo! ¡Aida! ¡Ah! ¡Que me da miedo! ¡Que me está haciendo daño!
Okay, I don't know. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. That's nice. Okay.
I'm sure it'll be fine. Just pet him like a dog. Just
Hi kiddo. Hi kiddo. Whoa. Sorry kiddo. Sorry. Come on man, run. These birds. Really. Don't mess up with these birds. Hi kids, be careful kids. Wow. I told you. Don't mess up with these birds. Don't think it's small. Yeah, I told you don't think it's small. Because the bird don't like you. Ran.
I've ever seen.
Get up close to him.
crap. He's taking the whole thing.
Just give it to him. Give it to him. Come on.
Princess.
Okay, let's see what happens here. Monkey. Okay, monkey likes her. Once again likes her. Oh, that was kiss. I never see that kind of kiss. Okay. Hey boy, run. They don't want to share their water. Run.
This is great.
Yep, I'm already playing.
Okay. Lady, you should go away. I think he don't like you. Oh, here is this beautiful small elephant. Wow. This elephant likes him a lot. Very cute.
How's your knee? I'm not helping him.
Don't think it's small again. It hurt.
Oh no!
It hurt him. It hurt him, boy. It hurt you. Pepsi day. It's a Pepsi day.
Yeah.
Let's see what happens here. Oh, come on, man. Run. Oh, whoa. That was strong enough. Hi, cute girl. Sorry, girl. Sorry, baby. Oh, monkey. Okay. This camel likes her hairs. And oh, it's not leaving her. Leave her. Hi kangaroo. Oh, kangaroo likes her a lot. Come on. Beautiful.
And look at me, John.
Guys, there's a tiger behind you. Of course, there should be a mirror between you guys. It's coming. Ooh. Wow.
We're
That
gonna
was-
show the camera our elf costume. Ready to say cheese?
Hi.
Are you ready?
Cheese. Say cheese.
Look, here we go.
Say cheese. Oh, whoa.
Don't set your foot down because it'll get wet, but pull your boot out of his mouth.
Hey buddy, what are you doing here? Oh, his shoes stuck. Oh, his shoes. Is there a fish? It's a big one. Come on, man. You can't survive. Run, run, run. Yeah. Hey, lady. I guess you also can't. You should be faster than them. Fast.
Girls, come watch this.
Hey, man. He's angry. He's angry. Oh, whoa. Whoa, thank God. He don't have strong teeth. Hey, kangaroo. Girls, you're lucky you got this kangaroo. Cute is it? Ah, nice.
right there with the eggs.
Hey man, don't mess up with them. Don't mess up with them. I'm telling
Just a
you.
little bit closer. Do you mind?
No, no. Yeah. Yeah. Hey boy. Hey boy. No, 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 no. Be careful. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh.
Get away!
Ah, get away. Nice. Ah, this is like group attack. Come on, lady, run.
Do it again, Jake.
Hey, baby boy. Okay. Okay. Oh, sorry. Ow. Oh, hey boy. That is so cute, girl. Okay. Oh, sorry.
No way. So bad.
He hurt. So here this happens like when someone waiting for some other guy to take revenge. Hey man, be careful, be careful. Oh, it's fine. Yes, you have to run. Otherwise, it will not give you. Come on, run.
Paul, move, Paul.
Run fast. Okay.
Theo, are you
cool.
okay?
What you're doing, man? What you're doing? Be careful. Anything can be happen at any time. What is that? Okay. Be careful, buddy. Oh, it's coming from that side. Yeah. Okay. Old lady. Old lady, be careful. Old lady, you have to run again. Yes, this is that. Ah, the duck is angry on her. The duck is really angry on her.
Run!
Here, the bird is watching the lady, and it looks like the lady is a very old enemy of that bird, and this is time to take the revenge back. Yeah, run, lady, run. Run. Okay, the girl, come on, you can do it. Okay, you should run faster than that goat. Otherwise, yeah, run. Come on, run. Okay, this bird don't like anyone to take his picture. That's cool. You should take permission first before taking picture.
Конечно, больно.
This anymore. What the fuck's wrong with this bird? Oh my
Okay.
gosh. What is this goal? I don't get it.
Okay. Oh lady, be careful. Something is near to your hand. Be careful. Yep. See, watch it. That reaction was amazing. Really, the reaction, guys. Whew. Okay. Watch out. And here one suddenly some attacks come to you. Yeah, that's why you watch everywhere when you are walking. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I hope this video brought some beautiful smile on your face. So let's meet some other day.